ngizamile ukuthi utshwala ngazithola sengiyibambile imbodlela after 3 months. Ayisime engikwenzayo kodwa yisono esiphakathi kwami. Ngizamile ukuthi yomama kodwa ngazithola sembuyelile. Ayisime engikwenzayo kodwa yisono esiphakathi kwami. Ngizamile ukuthiyana lamadoda atshadileyo kodwa ngizithola sengilawo. Ayisime engikwenzayo kodwa yisono esiphakathi kwami. Umpostoli Paul uthi, therefore it is no longer I who do it but the sin that dwells in me. Kodwa namuhla ngizokutshela indaba equmbaqumbayo, indaba emnandi mngani wami, ukuthi isono asilaphawa enyaweni kaJesu. Akukhona ama-habits osuzamile ukuwachiya awu-understand ngoba uyazama ukuthi uwachiye kodwa uzithola usukwenzile khona kozama ukukuchiya. It is no longer you who does it but it is the sin that dwells in you. Kodwa namhlanje ngizokutshela ukuthi uJesu is ready to free you from ama-habits lawa amabi. uJesu is ready to free you from ama-chains lawa amabi. Submitha kuJesu mngani wami, submitha kuJesu mngani wami. uJesu is ready to relieve you of ama-habits lawa anzima osuzamile wayekela ukuwachiya.